What if you could build a website that analyzes any website's SEO, generate details, audit reports, compares competitors, track performance, and even has potential to generate recurring monthly revenue? SEO audits websites have become a huge business. Popular websites like SEO Optimal, SEObility, and SEO Site Checkup help websites to identify SEO issues and generate revenue through subscription, white label reports, affiliate marketing, lead generation, and advertising. Many agencies and website owners use these tools every day to improve their search ranking and grow their online presence. So in this video, we will build an AI-powered SEO audit platform using Google AI Studio. We will start by generating the entire website using a single prompt inside Google AI Studio. Then in step 2, I will review all the pages and features generated by AI to see how good the application actually is. And then in step 3, I will thoroughly test the platform by analyzing different websites and checking whether it works as expected or not. Then in step 4, I will show you how to deploy the website using a new deployment tool that I recently discovered. It's very simple and even easier than deploying with Netlify. So watch till the end. If you think it will be useful for you, then subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. So now let's start by building the website. I am inside Google AI Studio and it's recently received one of its biggest update yet. So I am going to use a detailed prompt that describes exactly what I want to build. The prompt includes everything from the SEO audit engine and competitor analysis system to audit history reports, pricing plans, a dashboard, and other SaaS features. Don't worry about prompt. I will add this prompt in my Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description. So I will paste the prompt into Google AI Studio and let AI generate the entire application for me. As you can see, the generation process has been started. One thing I really like about the latest AI Studio update is that it doesn't immediately start generating the application. I have discussed this feature earlier also. Instead, it first creates multiple design themes and UI styles that you can choose from. It was not available before. It's very useful addition because now you can much more control over the final look and feel of your project. You can choose by yourself. I personally like this design the most, so I'm going to select it and continue. Right now, I'm just keeping the waiting part, and there we go. The website has been generated successfully. Now let's review everything that Google AI Studio has created for us. So the first impression is quite impressive. You can see this. The website includes a fully functional light and dark mode also. With a single click, you can see. And the entire interface features 2 themes, making the platform look modern and professional in both modes. Right on the home page, the auditors, we have a clean and professional SaaS type interface where user can enter any website URL and generate complete SEO audit report. The design looks modern and layout is well structured, and it definitely doesn't feel like something that was generated just a few minutes ago. The platform generates an overall SEO score along with separate score for content quality, technical SEO, mobile optimization, user experience, and website performance. It actually has a reference or example website already given in this. I haven't given this. It has already have this just to showcase us. Then scrolling down, we can also see detailed SEO insight. The platform reviews important elements such as page title, meta description, heading structures, content quality, and optimization opportunities. It even provides AI-powered recommendations to help improve ranking and website performance. One feature I really like is priority action section. You can see this here. Instead of showing a long list of technical data. It clearly highlights critical issues, important improvements, and quick wins that can have immediate impact. It's good. Moving to the competitor analysis section, the second page, user can compare their website against competitor and identify potential opportunities. The platform generates strength, weaknesses, keyword opportunities, and even provides a step-by-step SEO roadmap. You can see this. Next, the audit history dashboard. Every audit can be saved here, allowing users to revisit previous reports, compare results over time, and track improvements. The dashboard also includes visual chart and trend graphs, making it easier to understand website performance and SEO progress. Another interesting addition is the pricing section. The application already includes both free and premium plan, giving it a feel of real SaaS product rather than a simple demo project. Overall, I genuinely impressed with what Google AI Studio has generated. We have professional-looking SEO audit platform, complete with analysis tools, competitor research, audit history, dashboard reports, and monetization-ready features. Now it's time for most important part, testing the website and seeing whether it actually works as expected or not. So instead of testing it with a random website, let's try something real. I'm going to use my own website, www.komalbhojani.com. So I will simply paste the URL into the box and click the Analyze Website button. As you can see, the analysis process has started. The platform is now scanning the website and generating the SEO audit report. And there we go, it's ready. Within just few seconds, the report is ready. The platform has generated an overall SEO score of 80 out of 100. Interesting, which is actually quite good. Along with the overall score, it also analyzes the content quality, mobile optimization, technical SEO, user experience, and overall website performance. You can see this. That's interesting is that it doesn't just give a score, it also provides a detailed recommendation, highlights the critical issues, improvement, important warnings, quick wins, and long-term SEO opportunities that could help to improve my rankings. If we scroll down further, we can see detailed breakdown of SEO factors, including page metadata, heading structure, keyword density, page speed, accessibility checks, and additional optimization suggestions. It's good, quite good. Now let's take a look of competitor analysis section. Here, I will just enter my website along with a competitor website. And the platform has generated a side-by-side comparison report. You can see this. Each highlight the strength of my website, identify areas where the competitor has an advantage, and even suggest keyword opportunities that could potentially help to improve search visibility. What's even more impressive is that it generates a complete SEO roadmap showing the action that should be taken over the next few months to improve ranking and outperform competitors. Overall, the result looks surprisingly detailed and professional. For a website generated using Google AI Studio, the amount of information, analysis, and recommendation it provides, it's quite impressive. Now the website looks good, but for now, I want to keep everything completely free so that everyone can access all the features without any limitation. Currently, the application includes paid plans and premium features. Since this is the initial version, I'm going to ask Google AI Studio to remove the pricing plans and unlock all the features for every user. I will simply give the instruction to Google AI Studio and let it update the application. As you can see, AI Studio is making the changes, and here it is. The update is complete. The pricing section has been removed, and all features, premium features, are now available to everyone for free. I think this looks much better for the initial launch. Now it's time to get this website live on internet. So the first step is connecting it to GitHub. To do that, I will just go to the top right corner in Google AI Studio, click on the publish button and then select the GitHub option. Now I need to create a new repository, so I will name it SEO Audit and use the same for description as well also. For visibility, I am selecting public so that the repository can be accessed directly from GitHub. Now I will click on create repository. Now Google AI Studio automatically prepare all the file and changes. I will simply proceed with stake and commit. And that's it. The project has now been connected to GitHub successfully. Let me open the GitHub and verify everything. As you can see, the new repository has been created and all the project files are available right now here. This means our website source code is now safely stored on GitHub and ready for deployment. Now that our project is available on GitHub, the final step is deployment. There are many ways to deploy a website, but recently I came across a platform called Instapods. And it's incredibly simple and one-click deployment. Just go to www.instapods.com. First, create an account and log in into the dashboard. Once you are inside, just click on the create new pod. Now choose the GitHub deployment option and paste the repository URL that we just created. So I'm just going on GitHub, just copying the repo link and pasting here. After selecting the repository, Instapods automatically detect the project notification and prepares everything required for deployment. I will just click on deploy and let it do its work. As you can see, the deployment process has started. Instapods is pulling the code directly from GitHub, building the application and setting up the hosting environment automatically. What's nice is that you don't have to manually configure servers or don't worry about SSL certificates and all. Everything is handled for you. And there we go. The deployment has completed successfully. Instapods has now generated a live URL for our website. You can see this. So let me open it. And as you can see, our AI-powered SEO audit platform is now live on internet and accessible from anywhere in the world. The entire process was surprisingly straightforward. We generated the website using Google AI Studio, connected it to GitHub, and deployed it online in just a few steps. So if you also want to try Instapods, I have mentioned the link in the description. You can try out. Now let's do the final test on the live version and make sure everything is working correctly or not. I will enter a website URL and click on Analyze Website. And as you can see, the analysis process has started. And within few seconds, the platform generates a complete SEO audit report, including scores and everything. Also, I have transferred the URL, the Instapods URL into my mobile, and I have recorded this. As you can see, in mobile also it is working perfectly. So everything looks good, and our AI-powered SEO audit platform is now fully functional and live on the internet. So that's all for today. We built the complete SEO audit website using Google AI Studio, tested it, customized it, and deployed it with just one click. And remember, this is just one example. Using the same approach, you can build CRM platforms, ERP systems, financial portals, AI tools, business dashboards, job portal, and many other SaaS applications. You can sell these projects to clients, launch them as your own products, or generate recurring monthly income through subscription and premium features. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what kind of video you want me in the next. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.